Dutch Tycoon Tob Cohen has filed a petition before the Judicial Service Commission seeking the removal of Court of Appeal Judge Sankale Olekantai. Through lawyers Cliff Ombete and Dunstan Omari, Cohen's sister Gabrielle Hannah Van Straten is seeking Kantai's removal on grounds of corruption, gross misconduct, misbehavior, interference with the judicial independence, and a breach of the Judicial Code of Conduct and Ethics.
The family of Tob Cohen, through his sister Gabrielle Hannah Van Straten, in a petition to the Judicial Service Commission, claims investigations carried out by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations (DCI) linked the judge to the murder plot of her brother Tob Cohen and the cover-up thereafter. The family argues Kantai fraudulently transferred one share belonging to Silas Ita in a company associated with the late Tob Cohen while in private practice. The judge would later transfer the share to Sarah Wairimu Cohen, widow of Cohen, who is a prime suspect in Cohen's murder. Cohen's family argues the discovery of the fraudulent transaction was a motive behind the elimination of their kin.
He is alleged to have forged documents, government documents, in the transfer of the shares of one Silas Ita to himself and later to Sarah Cohen.
The family, in their petition, further argues forensic analysis carried out by the DCI revealed that Judge Kantai and Sarah Wairimu Cohen were in heightened communication during the period when Cohen was murdered. The family also accuses the judge of coaching the murder suspect, writing and editing her statements, which were further presented to the Director of Public Prosecutions and the DCI.
A judicial officer cannot, shall not, will not participate in drafting pleadings for an accused person or for a litigant. Justice Olekantai assisted Sarah Wairimu to draft her statement. He assisted her to record a statement edited to the Director of Criminal Investigation. That, to us, is assisting to draft pleadings, which is contrary to the provisions of the Bangarol rules.
The family further claims Sankale was in an extramarital affair with Wairimu, which amounts to gross misconduct and misbehavior. The family adding that Judge Kantai, who is out to ensure Sarah Wairimu evades the criminal justice system, is being protected by the DPP, who has stopped his prosecution.
How did Justice Sankale have extramarital activities when he's a judge? We do quite a number of family matters. Among the grounds that will go before the judge is a litigant arguing that so-and-so had extramarital activities with my wife.
Evidence that is there. I have seen the circumstances are there, both direct and circumstantial. The only way that such evidence can be set aside, that can clear your name, is by you participating in the process. Not by preventing it, but by entering that circle, by throwing your hat into the ring and fighting it. Clear your name.
The family further argues the judge hosted Wairimu in his official chambers in Nyeri, discussed with her and advised her on an active divorce case filed by the late Tob Cohen.
We call upon the Judicial Service Commission to order or rather to commence a process that will lead to the removal of the judge from office for failing to respect and adhere to the Judicial Service Code of Conduct, which prevents, precludes, and forbids him from advising or rather giving his input in matters that are alive before a court of law.
The family is asking the Judicial Service Commission to dismiss or order the immediate removal of Justice Sankale Olekantai from office and bar him from discharging or executing any judicial functions. Mwangi Maina, TV 47.
15 minutes past the hour, and it is